Trying to review my honest experience with Payroll services. Managing Payroll can be overwhelming for growing businesses, and that's where TriNet comes in. I recently explored their services, and here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong, thinking our platforms just handle payroll. The surprising truth about TriNet is that it's an all-in-one solution offering payroll, benefits, risk mitigation, compliance, and employee management. This is particularly useful for small to medium-sized businesses without a dedicated team. Setting up TriNet was straightforward. I created an account, entered company and employee details, and connected payroll systems. Platform automatically calculates taxes, deductions, and benefits, which saves a significant amount of time. Direct deposit is seamless, and employees can access pay stubs, tax forms, and benefits information anytime. One standout feature is benefits management. TriNet provides access to top-tier health insurance, retirement plans, and other perks usually reserved for larger companies. They also offer compliance support for labour laws, which reduces legal risks. Customer support is responsive, with dedicated specialists available to answer questions and guide through complex processes. Reports and analytics provide valuable insights into labour costs, turnover, and workforce planning. Pricing is on the higher side compared to basic payroll services, but the value lies in the comprehensive support, time savings, and compliance assurance. In conclusion, TriNet is an excellent payroll solution for businesses looking to simplify processes and access enterprise-level benefits. If you want to focus on growing your company while leaving your complexities to professionals, TriNet is worth considering.